I want to share with you today a conversation that I had recently that really encouraged me for the future of humanity. You see, I've been privileged to meet some amazing people in my life. Some of them were celebrities or famous in their own right. But there's this young man named Ash Mufareh who I met recently that has a vision and a mission that is so big that it really gave me hope for the future of our world. Ash is the founder and CEO of a company called Iron Ox. And when I say that his mission is big, let me tell you, it's really big. Ash wants to feed the world. In fact, he says that his goal is to end hunger by 2030. Now that's a pretty audacious goal for one human being to take on, but Ash isn't just any person. He's an inventor, an innovator, and a leader with a passion for making a difference. When I sat down with Ash, I was immediately struck by his energy and enthusiasm. It was clear to me that this wasn't just a guy who had a good idea. This was a person who was on a mission from God. Ash believes that everyone should have access to fresh, nutritious food, and he's working tirelessly to make that a reality. Iron Ox is a vertical farming company that grows leafy greens and vegetables in shipping containers. The idea is to create a sustainable and efficient way of growing food that can be replicated anywhere. Ash's vision is to use these shipping container farms to grow food in every country on Earth. He believes that by 2030, they can use their farms to grow enough food to feed 2 billion people. That's 2 billion people who currently don't have enough to eat. But Ash isn't stopping there. He wants to use his platform to inspire other young people to make a difference in the world. He knows that one person can't do it all, and he's actively encouraging others to join him on his mission. So what's the secret to Ash's success? What makes him different from all the other entrepreneurs and innovators out there? I think it's simple. Ash isn't just in it for himself. He's in it for the greater good. He genuinely wants to make a positive impact on the world, and he's willing to put in the hard work and dedication to make that happen. During our conversation, I asked Ash what inspired him to start Iron Ox and why he was so passionate about ending hunger. His answer was simple but powerful. He said he was inspired by his grandmother who had to flee from Lebanon during the war. And when she came to America, she couldn't find fresh food that reminded her of home. So he started growing his own food, and then he realized that there are millions and billions of people who don't have access to the food they need to survive. And that's when he decided he wanted to do something about it. It's that kind of passion and drive that I believe will make Ash successful. In his journey to end hunger, Ash isn't just thinking about the present. He's also thinking about the future. He knows that we can't solve this problem with short-term solutions. It's going to take long-term commitment and planning. One of the things that impressed me the most about Ash was his ability to think big, but also to get into the details. He has a clear vision of where he wants to take Iron Ox, and he's developing detailed plans to make it happen. He's not afraid to ask for help, and he's willing to listen to others. As I wrap up this video, I want you to think about the future of humanity. What kind of world do you want to live in? What kind of legacy do you want to leave behind? Maybe you're not in a position to feed the world, but maybe you can make a difference in your own community. Maybe you can be the next Ash Mufareh and change the world for the better. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it has inspired you to think about the future of humanity and the role that you can play in shaping it. Until next time, remember to keep learning, keep growing, and make a positive impact on the world.